In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Smartsheet. This process allows you to seamlessly connect these two powerful tools, enabling data to flow smoothly between them and enhancing your productivity. To begin, you'll need to sign into your Zapier account. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new automation by clicking on Create and then selecting Zap. This is where you'll set up the connection between Notion and Smartsheet. Next, you'll choose the app where you want the automation to start. Depending on your needs, you have two options. If you want information to flow from Notion to Smartsheet, start by selecting Notion as your trigger app. After selecting Notion, you'll choose a trigger event like New Database Item or Updated Database Item. This event will signal when the automation should run. Connect your Notion account, and then select the specific database you wish to monitor. Don't forget to test the trigger to ensure it's set up correctly and that Zapier is pulling in a sample item. On the other hand, if you want Smartsheet to trigger Notion, select Smartsheet as your trigger app. Similarly, choose a trigger event such as a new row or updated row. Connect your Smartsheet account and select the sheet you want to keep an eye on. Just like with Notion, you'll want to test the trigger to make sure it's functioning as expected. With your trigger app configured, it's time to set up the action app. This is where you decide what happens after the trigger event. If Notion is your trigger app, you'll add Smartsheet as the action app. Here you can decide on actions like create row or update row, and you'll choose the destination sheet accordingly. Conversely, if Smartsheet is the starting point, add Notion as your action app. Pick an appropriate action like Create Database Item or Update Database Item, and then select your target Notion database. One crucial step in this setup is mapping the fields between your trigger app and action app. For instance, you might align Notion properties to Smartsheet columns. Consider mapping title to task name, status to status, and so on. You can see how these fields relate to each other, ensuring the right data ends up in the right place. If you're syncing data the other way around, match Smartsheet columns to Notion properties with similar care. Before going live, run a test to ensure everything appears correctly in the destination app. This verifies that your data will flow as intended without any hitches. Finally, if everything looks right and your test results are successful, you're ready for the last step. Click Publish or turn on Zap to activate your automation. With this, your link between Notion and Smartsheet is up and running, ready to help you manage your data efficiently and effortlessly.